In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2, welcome in our online class. As today is Tuesday, 1st December 2020, it is our science period and our today's topic is the chapter named The Moon and the Stars, and our today's task is reading an explanation of given chapter. So students, take out your science books and open page number 100, all of you. Lesson number 18. The name of the chapter is The Moon and the Stars. Students, before starting this chapter, I want to revise the main contents of this chapter. So, listen carefully and watch carefully, students. Students, the earth is shaped like a ball. As you can see in this image, this is the image of earth. The earth, this is the image of earth. The earth is shaped like a ball. The earth is shaped like a ball, and the stars are very far off. As you can see, there are so many stars. The stars are very far off. And on the number 3, I want to tell the sun is further away. You can see it is the image of sun. The sun is further away. And on number 4, I want to tell you the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. The moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Okay, students, you will keep it in your mind, these points. The earth is shaped like a ball. The stars are very far off. The sun is further away. And the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Okay, students. Now come on the reading and explanation of this chapter. As the name of the chapter is The Moon and the Stars. We see the sun, the moon and the stars in the sky. Obviously, we all of us see the moon, sun and the stars in the sky. As you can see in this image, we can see the sun, moon, like this is the moon, this is the sun, and these are the stars. These all are we see on the in the sky. So the moon is smallest and the nearest. The moon is smallest and the nearest, but it is much farther than the clouds. But it is much further than the clouds, much further than the clouds. The moon does not give out its own light. It is a fact that we see the sun, we see the moon shining brightly, but the moon does not give out its own light. It shines when the light of the sun falls on it. It shines when the light of the sun falls on it. So always keep it in your mind, the moon does not give out its own light. चांद की अपनी कोई रोशनी नहीं होती. It shines when the light of the sun falls on it. ये तब चमकता है जब इसके ऊपर सूरज की रोशनी पड़ती है. So in your next classes you will learn how the moon shines by the help of the sun shines. Okay, students. Now come on the next paragraph. The sun is very far away. As you can see in this picture, the sun is very far away. It is much bigger than the moon and the earth. It is much bigger than the moon and the earth. I will show the image of the earth. You can see this is the image of earth. The sun is much bigger than the moon and the earth. This is the image of earth. and this is the image of moon. Sun is the much bigger than both. It gives us heat and light. You all knows the sun gives us heat and light. Without the sun, the earth would be very cold and dark. We would not be able to live on it. So, moon, sun, stars, all the things are the blessing of Allah. Now come on the page number 101. The stars are hot and bright and very big. As you can see, the stars are hot and bright and very big. In this image, you can see lots of stars. The stars are hot and bright and very big. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. It is the star closest to the earth. The other stars are very far away. It will take thousands of years for rocket to reach the next nearest star. The sun, the moon, and the stars are shaped like balls. These all the three things have the size shaped like balls. Like this is the sun, its shapes is also like a ball. This is the moon, it also have the shape like the ball. And this is the earth, it also have the shape like the balls. So you will keep it in your mind, these three stars also have the shape like balls. Now come on the page number 102. The earth is also shaped like a ball. The earth is also shaped like a ball. Do you find this difficult to believe? You feel it is flat because it is very big ball. But if you fly in an aeroplane in one direction only, you would come back to the place where you started. It will take you about 2 days to fly around the earth. The man who went to the moon saw the earth from there. You can see here is a man on the earth. The man who went to the moon saw the earth from there. This is the man who is on the moon. He saw the earth from the moon. It looked like a big round shining ball. When you will see the earth from the moon, it will be looked like a big round shining ball. You can see the earth as seen from the moon. This is the view of the earth from the moon. The earth is looked like a big round shining ball. Now come on the page number 103. The earth spins round and round. This is the picture of a picture of an earth, and it rounds. It's the earth spins round and round, but we cannot feel it going round and round. This is because everything on the earth goes around with the earth. This is because everything on the earth goes around with the earth. The air also moves with the earth. It is a great fact, the air also moves with the earth. If you watch the moon for a few weeks, you will notice that moon looks different from night to night. The moon does not really change its shape at all. Moon has no light of its own. It gets lit by the sun. As I have told before you, moon has no light of its own. It gets lit by the sun. We see the portion of moon which is lit by the sun. Here you can see different shapes of the moon. It changes its shape day by day. As you have read in the upper paragraph, the moon changes its shape day by day, but We see the portion of the moon which is lit by the sun. We can see in this picture only a little part, one third part, or one fourth part, or the half moon. In this picture, it means this part only bright by the lit by the sun. In the next image, you can see it is the half moon and it is the full moon. We see the portion of moon which is lit by the sun. So always keep it in your mind, students. The moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. The sun is further away. The stars are very far off. The sun is also a star. Stars are hot and bright. The earth is shaped like a ball. The earth spins round and round. The moon gets lit by the sun. I hope you have a good understanding about this chapter. So this chapter carefully at your home. Okay, students. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do the back exercise of this chapter. Allah Hafiz.